All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Packers replica helmet winner's choice number 2. So we'll check the time, June 14th at 11:50 a.m. I'm going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have June 14th at 11:50 a.m. There is the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Josh. Spot 3 is your winner. So, Josh, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, June 14th, 11:51 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.